Hi, this is Boyd Brodie, General Manager at Key Cooperative, and this is your key news in 2 for August. So today we're a couple miles west of our Sully location. We found a property out here, the old truck wash, that we were able to move our ammonia facility from in-town Sully out here. So we're excited about that. We're able to double the capacity. We've got a lot of equipment storage in the old wash building. We've got multiple risers, so we're able to fill tanks much quicker. And a nice shop up here as well. So we'll do a quick fly around to that. And then some of the other projects around the co-op this summer. We'll have the open house up at our Nevada facility. We'll do a little fly around there up at S14 in Roland. We'll be adding to our liquid fertilizer terminal there. We've got the Zearing card troll that we picked up, so we'll show a photo of that, or a shot of that. We'll be trying to get that up and running probably through harvest. And then at our Newton facility, we'll be putting in a 3 million bushel hoop structure for grain storage for primarily corn. We won't have that done this fall, but we will get started on it. And I won't have any pictures of that, but we'll be breaking ground on that here in the coming weeks. So that's your key news in 2 for August.